Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be using virgin organic coconut oil, and I'm also going to be using toothpaste. You can use practically any toothpaste of your choice, okay? And also I'm going to be using baking soda, pure baking soda, okay? That's the original pure baking soda, okay? So coconut oil is an antibacterial, antifungal, and that moisturizes your skin. Coconut oil is used to cook, and it can be used for, as a beauty product also. It composed primarily of nourishing fatty acids and is especially high in lauric acid. It also contains vitamin E and healthy fats, which help to make skin smooth. Okay, that's coconut oil. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you guys about the baking soda now. Baking soda is a perfect product for exfoliating. It's a perfect agent for exfoliating, which helps to remove dead skin cells. It also helps balance the pH level of your skin, which is important in maintaining an even clear skin and clear tone skin. Okay, it helps to absorb excessive oil and remove rashes. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to be using is my toothpaste. Toothpaste will help to remove acne and prevent upcoming rashes. It will wake up your skin and allow your skin to breathe again, and it will clean your dirty fingers, remove smelly nails, dirt. If you want, you can put it on a toothbrush and use it to clean your nails. You see the inside of my nail? So I may take advantage of it this afternoon. Though I don't have a brush here, but I can go and get one quickly to use. So you can use it to clean your nails and all the around your fingers. Okay, so and it will leave your skin looking looking smooth and beautiful all over again. Okay, so to put everything together, this is what I'm going to do. So I have my long spoon that I'm going to use to remove some of my coconut oil, and I already have some melted ones, so this is good. I'm so lucky. I thought it wasn't going to be melted. So I have a full teaspoon right here I'm going to use, because I'm only doing it for one application for my face, and it's evening. It's always good for you to wash your face before you apply this, so that it can penetrate and work as it should. Okay, so that's 1 teaspoon right there, and I'm going to use a 1 teaspoon of my toothpaste also. And you can eat coconut oil. I just lick it. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon also. Okay, let's go slide in because of the power of the coconut oil. Okay, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the cocoa butter. I may need more than that. Actually, let me mix these two together first. This is perfect. I may have to put a little bit more of my coconut oil, but it's good. It's perfect. It's superb. So now I'm going to put in a small portion of my baking soda. 1 tablespoon of my baking soda. I want to make sure it's full. Okay, I think I have enough right now. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of my baking soda. So if you want, at this point, because you know the consistency is very thick right now, not too thick. You can add a little bit more coconut oil. I'm not going to do that because this is fine with me. So you mix everything together and you just use it to scrub your face and keep it on. I think this is perfect. Yeah, this is great. Okay, so you just use it to rub, apply it to your skin like this and keep it on. Keep it on for like 5 minutes. I'm even going to keep it on for more than 5 minutes. Okay, allow it to work, perform its duty. Let me put a little bit more coconut oil. It's kind of thick. And since I'm so blessed, my coconut oil is melting, so I think that's enough. Okay. Coconut oil is powerful. I'm chewing something in my mouth. It went into it and softened that thing immediately. Okay. Okay. So now, yeah, much better. This is much better. So I'm going to rub it right here on my finger. Don't worry, you see my dark knuckles? I'm still going to work on it. So, see what we're talking about? So, it's time for me to wash it. Okay? Just make sure you use lukewarm water, you see? When you are washing it, the toothpaste will come off.